beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's my sister again. Thank you guys for the previous likes on the other video I posted with her, and today we are back again with this other video, and it's also a game because we like having fun here. So today the video is going to be a test video. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, so I'm going to, we have different stuff. I have 10 stuff. What do you have?
I don't know, I just have stuff.
I have 10 different things that I want her to taste, and I think she has almost also the same thing. Okay, different things for me, but yeah. So we are going to blindfold and we are going to taste. The other video you started, right? Yeah. So, yeah. So it's me starting, right?
Okay.
And please don't let it be some yucky stuff. Okay. Yeah.
I know that mean.
Okay, I'm not seeing. Please be nice. Please be nice. Oh my god, I can hear you opening stuff.
Come.
No, wait. Please don't eat snail.
It's that thing, yucky. Come.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Okay.
Come.
Should I open?
Open.
It's peanut butter.
Yes. Yes. Very nice.
Well, you know when you're blindfolded, it's like you're in a dark room and you can't see what someone has for you. Okay. That's a lot. Okay, bring you.
Oh, I just had, oh my god, so Okay.
Stick your tongue out.
It's oil.
What kind of oil?
Sunflower oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's my turn now.
Yum.
Okay, open up.
What is that? Garlic dip. Ama kitu ka hiyo.
Okay, you're wrong.
What is it? But it has garlic, right?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, mayo.
Mayonnaise. Yeah. Good.
When it landed here, I was like, oh my, it's like 3 tests at one time. Just here. Okay, bring your tongue.
It's sweetener. A sweetener. It's not, because it's not honey. It's
You want to
not
taste it
sugar.
again? There's more.
It's wait. It's a sweetener. It's no, it's a sweetener.
Sweetener. Okay, you're wrong.
What is it?
It's cough syrup for the babies.
Oh, syrup.
It's so sweet, it tastes like a sweetener.
I forgot to drink.
Open up.
Salt.
Yeah.
That was a lot of salt. Oh my god.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Open. Look how you. And that was so little.
And it's so yummy. I love it.
Oh, that's Maggie.
Yeah.
Mom.
Put it back there. Here we go. Sikia tumbo yangu.
So, open up.
Is it Cerelac?
Cerelac.
Mm.
Yeah.
No, I can't see. My eyes are blind.
Why?
Because of the blindfolding.
That's banana puree, baby puree juice thing.
Yeah.
Good. Open up.
It's chapati flour. I'm getting them all. Or Only one I didn't get.
Yeah, and yours also. I
For
didn't
the-
get one.
Ah.
Only the cough syrup. Who knows how baby cough syrup tastes like?
Tell me about it. Open. Tongue.
Mm. 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 Strawberry marmalade. Mm.
I'm hearing music in my head.
Music in your head. Music. Cough.
Ah, delicious.
Delicious.
Nutella.
Mm-hmm. What am I the man? Are you any? Everything you You remember that song? I like so many days. Who's gonna come for me? My appetite for me. This is the other thing I can't go without you.
Are your eyes closed?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That one was your last one for me, Amma?
I have a very last one.
Okay. If you have a very last one, I'm giving you a very bad taste now, and then for the last one, I'll give you a very good taste. Let me just give you like swipe on it. Yeah. Okay.
That's coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Instant. What's instant?
Yeah, what
Mocha.
kind? Nine.
Thing with the coffee with the green thing.
No, it's caffeine fry.
Oh, caffeine fry. How would I know caffeine fry thing?
Oh, coffee without caffeine.
Ah, caffeine fry.
Yeah. It's your turn. For me,
Yes.
that's your last thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll also give you my last. I hear you chocoraing.
Open.
Now what is that? Is it cookie crumbles?
No.
Bread crumbs?
No.
Cookie crumbs?
Mm-mm.
Can I taste again, or there isn't more? I know this taste, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Baby biscuit.
Ah, yeah, because they are like cookie-like. And
This baby biscuit.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh,
Okay, your last one, which is quite nice.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun.
Da-da-da-dum.
Oh.
Open.
I could just smell it even before it landed on my tongue. Honey!
Dun, 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 dun. Sugar, sugar, dun, 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 dun,
I
dun.
know.
You are my
Candy girl. And you got me wanting you. Okay. So it's finito, done, finito.
The video is done. I hope you you guys enjoyed like we did. It was quite some mystery being blindfolded and having to taste stuff, because now you just have to trust your tongue,
taste buds.
Yeah, your tongue and taste buds. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for staying up to this point, and if you watched up until here, click subscribe, comment, like, share, tell even your danas at home, your grandmas, your grandpas to subscribe, or take their phones. I know they have smartphones these days. Take their phones and subscribe. Please, please, please tell them to subscribe, or subscribe and then don't tell them, because yeah.
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day, nice evening, nice night. And do you have something to say?
Yes, and have a happy new year.
Yes.
I wish you a happy new year, and may your dreams come true in the new year. Yeah, I mean, you have to work hard. You have to work hard for them anyways, but may they come true.
Yes, amen and amen.
Yes.
They will. So thank you guys, and bye bye.
Bye. Choose. Adieu. Au revoir.
Yeah.
Yeah.